I hope everyone had a fantastic Christmas. And now that we are in the end of the year, I want to talk to you a bit about photoshopping and invoices. Okay, Amazon sellers, so here's what you need to know about submitting invoices to Amazon for inauthentic suspensions, and it doesn't matter whether it's a listing suspension or your entire account is down. Here's what you need to know about Photoshop and invoices. Don't do it. Do not take invoices and edit them with Photoshop. I'm not a Photoshop guy, but I do know that Amazon has some remarkable ways of detecting Photoshop changes to invoices. So what can you do if your invoice isn't perfect? What can you do if the date of your invoices doesn't make sense, or the quantity is no good, or the invoice is made out to the wrong Amazon account because you're running multiple Amazon accounts? Go back to your source. Go back to whomever you sourced your products from and ask them to give you a brand new invoice with the right information. Don't Photoshop and send that in to Amazon. Now, if you use Photoshop to circle the quantity or the price or something else, then you want to make sure you're sending Amazon the one that you edited to point out whatever fact you want them to pay attention to, and a 100% unadulterated invoice so that Amazon staff can be sure that the documents you are submitting are 100% not edited in any fashion. You need me today, the day after Christmas. Here are the different ways you can contact me. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And just know that in the coming year, in 2022, me and my team are 100% here for you and 100% devoted to Amazon sellers.